severe thunderstorm warning for the following county: Deschutes, Oregon. The National Weather Service in Pendleton, Oregon has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Deschutes County in central Oregon until 3:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles northwest of Sun River, or 18 miles west of Bend, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sisters. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 03:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Deschutes, Oregon.
New Life Radio 97.5.
Severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties in Oregon: Crook and Jefferson. The National Weather Service in Pendleton, Oregon has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Jefferson County in central Oregon, northwestern Crook County in central Oregon until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:36 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Terrebonne, Oregon, 8 miles northeast of Redmond, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Madras, Culver, Montolius, and Grizzly. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 05:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Oregon: Crook and Jefferson.
New Life Radio 97.5.
Flash flood warning for the following county: Jefferson, Oregon. The National Weather Service in Pendleton has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Jefferson County in central Oregon, southwestern Wasco County in north central Oregon until 8:00 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the eastern Lions Head. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southwestern Warm Springs Reservation. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry arroyos is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
New Life Radio 97.
Severe thunderstorm warning for the following county: Wasco, Oregon. The National Weather Service in Pendleton, Oregon has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Jefferson County in Central Oregon, South Central Wasco County in North Central Oregon until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:21 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over eastern Warm Springs Reservation, or 15 miles north of Madras, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include South Junction, Warm Springs, and Eastern Warm Springs Reservation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been